Hello guys, today we have Samsung A10s keep restarting and keep looping to the A10s logo. We don't know yet what causing this problem, but it could be software or a hardware. A software problem means that the device was updating and the internet cut off and then there was a problem with the software. Hardware problem means we have a problem with the volume down or the up with the power button. If these keys are stuck, the device can keep looping and looping and looping. I'm trying to press these buttons but seems we don't have any problem with these buttons, so I'm going to open the device now. You can detach it, but be careful with the fingerprint flex cable. Also, don't forget to remove the SIM card slot before opening the housing. Now you can unplug the sensor. Okay, as I'm looking at the power button, it doesn't seem healthy, it's black. So maybe we have a problem with it. The volume down seems it has been fixed before. Also, it doesn't look healthy. We have a sticker on it and this is bad. So I'm going first to check if the volume down is making this problem. Then I'm going to go to the power button to make sure it's not making this problem. As we detach the housing, the problem still going on. So this means that there is no press on these buttons. Okay, these buttons is pressing by itself. Now I'm going to remove the 3 screws. Remove the shield bracket after that. There is an adhesive under the middle. Unplug the battery. Remove the antenna. Unplug sub and the screen. Keep removing the screws from the top. The 3 buttons has a flex cable under the motherboard, so we need to take out the motherboard in order to remove them. The first thing I'm going to do is to push the board from the volume down and the volume up, and then I will put the device to see if it still stuck at the logo or not. As you can see, I'm going to push the motherboard out and then I will turn the device on. The device is still at the logo and keep restarting. So our problem not with the volume up and the volume down. Now we can confirm that our problem is with the power button. Sometimes water corrosion could cause this problem, but when I removed the PCB I didn't notice any corrosion at the PCB or the flex cable of the power button. I'm going to remove the 2 buttons because I'm going to replace the volume down with the power button. After that I'm going to replace the screen because the customer told us if we fixed this problem, then he told us to replace a new screen. It's better to hit this button in order to remove it. We don't need to damage this flex cable. It's very sensitive. After we have removed the volume down button, I'm going to put the board on and then I will turn the device to see if the problem will exist or not. And after that, I will push the board out from the power button to see if the device will boot up or not. Now the board is loose from the power button. Let's see if the device will power up or not. Okay, we have something new. That means the problem has been done and the problem was with the power button. Let's check when the device boot. After that, I will remove the two buttons and I will repair them and replace a new screen. Okay, the device is working. Now we can continue our job. Sometimes it takes few minutes for us to determine whatever is causing the problem, but after we have know the problem, you can just replace the whole this flex cable and with the new one, or you can keep watching with me in order how to replace just the power button and the volume down button. There is no need for you to do that, but always our customers asked for lower price, and that's why we keep fixing the things, not replacing it. Also, this need a heat gun in order to remove it without any damage. We don't need to damage it because we are going to fix it. Always be patient while you are doing to fix things, not replacing it. This is very important to stick with. You can use your heat gun with 150 Celsius degree for 30 seconds. I'm not gonna lie to you, these buttons took me a few minutes to be removed. I also used the knife in order to remove it. Seems the solder melt at a high temperature, and also there is an adhesive under it. The first one took me a long time, so I cut it a few video from it, but with the volume down button I kept the whole repairing. The power button went into pieces. It should goes with one piece. Don't know why this happens. My heat gun temperature goes for 450 Celsius degree. Other heat gun machines goes for 4 and 800 or maybe 500. So maybe this is need 4 and 80 Celsius degree. We don't know, but I was able to remove it with keeping too much heat to the flex cable. Now you can put some antique flux paste, then you can resolder the pads. After that clean and then bring the new one. You can heat before putting the new one, because with this heat it can melt down, so it's important Heat the solder and then you can put the new one. Okay, perfect now. Let's remove the other volume down button. You see it taking long time and more heat to be removed. It doesn't come off easily. As I told you, you can replace the whole flex cables and there is no need to do this job. Again, put some empty flux and then resolder the pads. Now clean with the alcohol and then bring the new button and then you can solder it. As I told you, heat and then you can put the new one. We need first to melt the solder and then we can put the new one. Otherwise it could be melt with it too. It's from plastic. Okay, good job, we have done it. We have the two flex cable has been soldered down. Now we are going to put them and test if they are working or not working. We need to put some adhesive under this flex cable because the adhesive has been removed with the alcohol and with the amtic paste. Now we can put the board on, assemble and then test. Alright, we have plugged the battery in. Let's see if the device turned on automatically. It doesn't turn on automatically. Now I'm going to press on the power button. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, the device is working. Seems our problem has been solved. After that, make sure the buttons are working and that's it. If you have any question, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.